All right, what's the first thing I need to do to code this word? What, Braylee?
Vowel, consonant, vowel.
No, the very first thing I do is I look for what? Suffixes or... Okay, do I have either one of those?
No. Yes.
Really?
Yes. Yes.
What?
Put an arc under.
Suffixes or final stable syllables?
Yeah.
What?
Suffix.
What? Suffix S. If I take that away, I still have a word left. If you've got an S at the end of the word, you always need to check and see if it's a suffix. Okay? Now, are there any obvious codings, Brandon?
AR. Put an arc under.
Arc under AR.
And above A.
What?
Put 2 dots above the A.
No, what did you say?
Put a schwa.
We can't do anything above this A yet because there are 2 vowel sounds in this
Vowel,
word.
consonant, vowel.
Vowel, consonant, vowel. Where do I normally divide?
In the first.
Between the first vowel and consonant?
I put comma. 2 dots above it.
Why would I put 2 dots above it?
Schwa.
Let's try a schwa. Where does my accent go?
On the last syllable.
On the second syllable. Remember we talked about yesterday an unaccented open A can make the sound. So, what is this?
Alarm.
Alarms, right? Alarms. I can't put 2 dots because I don't divide it after the L. That L is part of a different syllable. And all arms is not a word. All arms. That's not a word. Alarms. Okay? Excuse me. So an unaccented open A can make the sound. Let's look at this word. Do I have any final stable syllables or suffixes?
No.
No? Anything obvious? What?
Put a macro above the I.
Which I?
Oh, the second I.
Why? How is that obvious? Why do I already know that? You're right, but why do I already know it?
It's I consonant E.
Good. I've got I consonant E. It's at the end of a word, so I can pretty much assume that, right? That's pretty much a given. Okay? Vowel, consonant, vowel. Where do I...
Divide it between the I and the V.
Between the first I and the V?
Divide.
Okay.
Put a divide. Put a upside down E on the first I.
Divide. That's not a word.
Upside down E.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Divide is not a word. Why do you think, Jaden? Abreve. Where's my accent going to go?
On the last syllable.
Okay, so an open, unaccented I can make the short I sound. Divide. Divide it, not divide it. Divide. No, not divide. Divide. Okay? All right, so look at all of these.
A bow. Around. Ahead. Again. About.
They do all start with an A. So we've learned that an open, unaccented A can make what sound? So a lot of times if you have an A at the beginning of a word, that would be one of my first, if I'm not sure, that might be one of my first things to check. So, because this one got an open accented O, ago. Around. Okay? So, a lot of times, if you've got an A at the beginning, if it's not followed by an L, like always, or something like that, it's going to make the sound. Okay? So, again, like we talked about yesterday, sometimes if you have a vowel, consonant, vowel, the accent goes on the end, and it changes what the vowel sounds like at the beginning. But sometimes it doesn't change it. Like, Hotel, still a long O, even though it's not accented. Yes, sir.
I lost money a while ago. You said again, and it was a beer.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. All right. So we're gonna practice spelling and coding some words with our schwa A, an accented A at the beginning of a word. So you'll have to be thinking about if I have at the beginning of a word when I'm spelling, it just might be an A. So I'll see you guys in our groups.